Well, the Scotch tape kind of gives it away. Will, what'd you get yourself for your Civic?
Supercharger, HKS.
Is it flash on? What is this?
I think the good thing would probably be in this steering box in here. Probably not. Yeah, it's a good layout.
Ooh, this is cute. Where does this go? This is really thick. Is that the turbo? That could fit inside of your blower. Oh, that's fancy. What's up, peeps? We got the HKS Supercharger installed. This FRS. This is the GT2 kit. Some things that were kind of cool about it. It also has a recirc valve, separate oil reservoir, and it also has a cooler for the supercharger. And we went ahead and replaced all the idlers and the tensioner and everything to make sure we got good tension on the belt. It seems like it's pretty happy with the tracking. Some of these kits, you have issues with the tracking, but it's a really nice belt wrap on the charger, so we shouldn't have any issues with slipping. Overall driving impressions, it's a little slippy, but it's kind of like a drift car, so he's got some stretch tires and stuff, but seems to have a pretty decent pickup and good pull at the top end. It's just using the HKS flash editor. Flash. Just got the HKS flash editor, so what I think is really nice about this kit is you don't need to take it to the dyno. You just plug this tuner thing in, load the software onto the factory ECU, and then you've got everything good to go. And you just drive it after, which is pretty sweet. So if anyone's looking for a supercharger kit that's like really bolt on, this is it. There was some modifications and stuff we did to make it a little bit easier to install, namely how they wanted you to install the intercooler, which is like side mounted here off to the side. Supercharger cooler's on the other side, but there's like a bracket that goes in behind the bumper that we just welded right to the bumper support instead of using this kind of janky nut and bolt setup that they had. Uses the factory airbox as well, so you just got to modify it, trim this part, cap this off, and it fits on there nicely. Yeah, overall pretty sweet. HKS.